Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing amazing. So in today's video I've shared with you a very easy back to school nail art. So we all know that school season is starting and I thought this would be perfect to do this kind of nail art. So without any further ado, let's get started. But before we start, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and also do watch all my videos entirely. That way I will get more watch hours. And now let's start. So here I'm starting with a simple base coat. You can use any kind of base coat. You can use peel off or regular, it doesn't matter. But here I'm using a peel off base coat so that it's easier to remove afterwards. Once that is dried, I'm going to use this very pretty pink color by OPI on my thumb, index and on my pinky. Now if you want to know the exact name or links to any of the products that I use in this video, do let me know in the comments and I will happily let you know. So yeah, here I'm applying a thin layer of this pink color on my nails and then we're gonna let that dry. While that is still drying, I'm going to apply this purple color from Salon Perfect on my middle finger and let that dry. I must say that this color is actually really pretty and I have used this in a couple of my videos, so if you haven't seen them yet, do check them out. Next, I'm going to apply white polish from Sally Hansen on my ring finger and let that dry. Now this color, I'm not really a fan of it. I feel like you can find better white polishes out there for cheaper prices. But it still works and does its job. So yeah, the only thing about this polish is that it's sheer in one coat. So you do have to apply more than one coat. Otherwise, it's good. Okay, so now I'm going to apply a second coat of this pink polish on my thumb, index and on my pinky. I'm also applying a second coat of this purple polish on my middle finger just to make the color more opaque. And lastly, this white polish on my ring finger. So I actually applied 3 coats of it off camera, but I actually only showed you 2 coats. So yeah, just letting you know that. Now that we are done with the base colors, we can move on to the design. So first we are going to make a pencil design on our thumb, index and on our pinky. So what I'm doing here is I'm applying a straight stroke of this silver polish in the middle of my nail. It's actually not really in the middle, it's like a bit higher than the middle, but you can kind of see what I'm doing here. Then I'm going to take this yellow polish again from Sally Hansen and now I'm going to fill the rest of my nail with this yellow color to make it look like a pencil design. Now if you want, you can also add stripes to make it more accurate and detailed, but I'm just going to leave it like this. Now we're going to make a ruler design, so I'm taking a darker color than the base to highlight it, and now with the help of a striping brush I'm going to create a ruler design. So first I'm going to make the little lines on one side of my nail and then I'm going to just write numbers like 1, 2, 3 to make it look like a ruler. You can also do this design in different colors, so be creative and come up with something different. Next I'm going to take this blue color from Orly and now we're going to make a paper design. So if you haven't seen my top 3 blue polish video, go check that out. I have showed you the swatches of this color. So yeah, go check that out. And now I'm going to take the same brush again and I'm going to create stripes going across my nail to make it look like a line paper. And then I'm going to add one straight line of this dark orangish reddish kind of color to make it look like a line paper. If you want, you can also add like writing on this paper design, but I'm just going to leave my paper design blank. And that's it. That's how all the designs look like, and that's how my nails look like after doing this nail art. And lastly, I'm going to apply a matte top coat to finish this design with. Now if you want, you can again use glossy top coat or any other kind of top coat. It's totally up to you, so do whatever you think is best for your design. But I'm going to try this with matte top coat. And yeah. So that's it for today. This is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also guys, please watch all my videos completely and give me more watch hours. I really need it. And yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.